Hello, Sonny. Oop. Oh, fuck. Come here. Will you come here? All right, Sonny, none of mine. I'm just going to tape me. This is about Sonny, my bird, which is on top of my head. Let me zoom in on him here. Oop, there he is. Hi, Sonny. What you doing? So what's up? What you doing? What you doing, Sonny? Gotta stay still, because I can't keep moving here. So what are you doing? What are you doing, babe? Say hi. Say hi to the world. You're gonna say hi? You better talk to me. Tell me a story. Tell me that wonderful story. Yeah, tell me that one. Come on, tell me. Yeah, tell me the story. Oh, you got kisses, huh? You make mommy happy when you do this, you know. So how you doing? No, honey, you gotta get on. No, don't go on my. Why you go on mommy's head? Hold on. Say hi. Say hi. Come on, Sonny, get back on my shoulder, please. Thank you. So how you doing? You doing good? Oh. Say hi, everybody. No, Sonny, on my shoulder. Come here. Down here. Say hi. Say hello. Say hi. You tell stories? Yeah. Look in the camera and say hello. Oh, now you're going to be quiet? Alright, say goodbye to everybody. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. See y'all around. Say see ya, don't want to be ya. Alright, say bye. Go. Say bye. Are you going to talk to me or not? Okay, never mind. I guess stop. I stopped now.